One of the ways that we're seeing evolution in the industry is the use of cinema cameras destined now for broadcast and for television production. And so ConvertIP, as a device that takes ST2110 and allows you to convert and monitor on an HDMI or a baseband apparatus, we actually are doing some work with Red, who have got this new camera and their Red Connect system, and it outputs 2110. So we're actually able to show here very high resolution, very high bit depth, high color quality signals coming out of the Red camera, converted from ST2110 into HDMI and displayed in an HDMI monitor. So those fiber lines are taking the ST2110. So it's coming out of the network connection on the camera. And then we run that into our ConvertIP, and then we do the conversion to HDMI for display on the monitor. There's two things. There is the production format and there is the monitoring format, right? So with ConvertIP, you have your existing HDMI monitor. You don't want to change it. It's bolted to the wall, if there's cabling, it's a power supply, it's all set up. You don't want to change it. So you want to just take the ConvertIP and put it right behind that monitor and change the 2110 into HDMI so you can preserve it. But that's for display. Right? You can continue to process in 2110 if you have the equipment for it. So it's about giving the flexibility to choose which equipment to use in 2110 and which to use in HDMI according to your budget and your ability to do the upgrades in your facility. This makes it very easy to start working with 2110 today without a big new investment. So those are two of the 6 different models that are available, and the customer will choose the one that suits their requirements. We can put 3G SDI, 12G SDI. They can support 1 gig, 10 gig, or 25 gig network connectivity as well. So it's got independent power supplies, or you can run it over PoE, so it makes it very convenient to use. They can be used to either encode or decode, so they can be used in either direction depending on your application. ConvertIP is also IPMX ready, so this is an interesting feature, and we're getting lots of interest about IPMX. As the worlds of AV and broadcast begin to converge, people are finding that they want some formats that give them a little more flexibility, and IPMX is that. So with ConvertIP, you're ready for ST21 today and IPMX in the future, so it makes a very interesting product.